Oh, no, 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 no.
Turana no? Boy boy oh. Grabe lang turana no. Ulak to di oh. Ela. Ay, naigaw na. 65cc class final hit. So dito pa rin tayo sa Mabini Davao de Oro Port Leg of Motor Race Series 2024. Ela. Ay, naigaw na. Ay, 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 ay. Naigaw na. Laka. Wow! Aldri Cruz! Ayan. Ayan, nilarga na yun. Wala pa nahawag ang gate. Ayan. Aldri Cruz on the lead. Gentle Crier on second. Ayan, RJ Gonzaga on fourth. Ayan, Aldri Cruz on the lead. On second, Gentle Crier. On third, RJ Gonzaga. Punal Jelly. Ayan. Gab, gab. Hop, hop. Boy Pence and Manong. Yan, Irmak. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Grabe mang lupa ng mga batani. Oy, Campos. Up, Don Roblesa, up. Ayan, bakbakanay. Gintel versus RJ Gonzaga. Aldri Cruz on the lead. Up, up, short. Gintel. Go, 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 go. Ayan, Manong Abada on fourth. Gab, Gab, Abesta. Boy Pence. Turana no? Boy boy oh. Grabe lang turana no. Ulak to di oh. Okay. Ayan, Aldri Cruz, layo na. Oy! Nakuha si Gentle ni RG. Ayan, Aldri Cruz on the lead. Wow. Pugong! Wow! Wow! Oy, nawala si Gentle, Dara. Anong nangyari, Gentle Crier? White flag na, white flag, white flag. And white flag, last lap. Yan, Manong Abada. Gab Gab, Gintel, Boy Pence. Ayun, no? Last lap, last lap. Waiting for champion, Aldri, RJ. Checkers. Waiting for champion, RJ Gonzaga. So si Aldri kayo na first seat, layo kayo. Ang mo champion na ni si RJ Gonzaga. Hey! Yan, champion. 65cc. RJ Gonzaga. Manong. Gab Gab. Gintel. Boy Pence. Yan, checkered. Checkered. Ermac. And Lightning Mohan. Ayan, checkered. Coco Mapalo. Ayan, Campos. Roblesa and Dominguez. Ayan. So, thank you for watching guys. Please share this video. So, thank you.